First one, firms have gobbled up practices, people. They are now stretched from coast to coast across countries. We have laterals coming in on a daily basis. And some of those firms are also dealing with transitions out of attorneys. So at the end of the day, it's kind of tough to know who's here and who knows what at any particular time when we need to know who's here. So what is that causing? That's causing us to sell more in silos. If I don't know who's here in the firm, or the last attorney retreat we've had was 3 years ago, I'm just going to go to the tried and true people that I know. So I'm only selling what I know and who I know. And so we're selling in silos. We're not really delivering on why we brought in all the laterals and practices, deliver value on the clients. So what's happening is, from a strategy standpoint, is expenses are rising faster than revenue, and you're being pushed today to be able to drive that revenue. Second big trend, which is important, bringing in that people aspect. There's a whole nother generation of professionals right now that expect to be associated or have the opportunity to be associated with a greater amount of business development opportunities. That can be the new laterals, that can be younger new partners, that can be our associates, which we know we are being pushed to different areas by our associates, and including the minority associates, diverse associates. So what's happening of the trend we're seeing in the absence of experience management, in the absence of that collective tissue of being able to know who's here, we've got those groups of people that are being underutilized and underappreciated. So we're getting that disengagement. I think you're feeling that from your associates who want to be considered for more than just what's happening in their office.